you can't stop hiking here. It's so beautiful.
All right, here we go. We are about to get on the Devil's Bridge Trail off of Dry Creek Road. So let's go see this. You excited?
Yes.
Cool.
Let's do this.
We are here, and we're going to go from here and hike this little trail here, 0.7 miles to Devil's Bridge. There's a lot of dense forest, pine trees, cacti. It is a totally different world than Cathedral Rock.
You're going the wrong way.
What? It's a... Oh, that's steep. Is it scary?
It's good, just don't look down.
Okay.
I may or may not have thrown up in my mouth just a little. You see this? Am I holding the bridge up?
You have to go a little higher. Really high. Oh, you got it, you got it. Devil's Bridge, one of the coolest hikes I've ever done. One of the more popular trails here in Sedona. We made it. Oh, we made it, Jen.
We made it.
We're off the trail.
You ready for this? That's what I've been waiting for. Ready?
Water.
It's where I wrecked my drink, my first beer. It's where I found Jesus. Where I wrecked my first car. I tore it all to pieces. I learned the path to heaven. It's full of sinners and believers. I learned that happiness on earth ain't just for